And well, the weather is actually very nice for playing some putt-putt, some outdoor putt-putt looking great, or maybe just some golf out there. As we see perfect conditions, temperatures in the 70s and low 80s, and the humidity is a nice, refreshing change. So with the clear skies, this really made way for some really beautiful photography that happened last night because, well, the SpaceX Starlink satellite was actually moving up north and northeast. It was actually off the coast, but what's interesting is because the skies were so clear and it was so high up, we could actually see this from multiple locations in the Tri-Cities. So it's pretty interesting. You're seeing the vapor trail there, and we've received multiple photos from it. Just amazing photography here. This is from Sandy Bush in Jonesboro, Tennessee. And those clear skies, well, they're at least going to continue into tonight before we see a return to a few more clouds, not completely cloudy conditions, but a few more clouds as we go into Wednesday. A spotty rain chance or thunder shower with better coverage moving in with a weak cold front. That would be for Thursday and Friday. So, of course, I guess you know how it is in the weather world. All good things have to come to an end in terms of weather. One thing about it, though, we really need some dry weather for the weekend. At this point, the weather's looking actually pretty decent heading into the weekend because at the moment, we've seen 9 weekends in a row that's been wet in the Tri-Cities. If we have any measurable rainfall at all this weekend, it would make it the 10th weekend. Let's hope that we don't do that. Anyway, so comfortable conditions as far as dew points are concerned and humidity through the evening, a little bit more humidity heading into Wednesday evening. And then, of course, before long, dew points will be right back close to 70 degrees again. So you'll start feeling a little bit more tropical, later in the week. Anyway, here's a look at Johnson City where we have those beautiful conditions. It's 83 degrees, mostly clear skies. We've had some high-level clouds. That's really been about it. And temperatures across the south are mostly in the 80s to lower 90s down to the south, especially towards Atlanta, where it's hot, but at least it's a dry heat. You can see the northwesterly flow has really carried that dry air all the way down into the Carolinas and Georgia, which means we're looking at another comfortable night again, with temperatures falling pretty much into the upper 50s and low 60s. Look at these daytime highs. Can't beat it. Back to the middle and upper 80s. Severe threat tracker is low, and then we see it go up to the medium mode as we head into Thursday and Friday. That's actually with that next cold front that we'll be tracking. And you can see it even now off to the north and west, right about here, along with some of these clouds that are located in that direction. We still have high pressure, and the old front that we were dealing with still technically down to the south. I mean, it's not really making much of a push down into Florida, obviously. It's kind of hard to get a cold front to move through down there this time of year. For us, we're waiting for some more showers, thunder showers to move back in. That starts tomorrow and especially into Thursday and Friday. It could be a strong storm in spots. Something will be timing out. Notice as we go through the rest of your Wednesday afternoon tomorrow, just a spotty rain chance or thunder shower for the valleys. Better rain chances in North Carolina and along the mountains. Here comes a push of some moisture with a short wave, or really just what we would term as just a disturbance here moving in by Thursday morning. That gives us a rain chance for Thursday, but not only Thursday, into Friday too. You'll see that better chances of rain and thunderstorm activity, then turning hot eventually by next week.